What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Dogecoin. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we are not out of the woods because we broke all the supports that we had previously. And if you follow my channel for quite some time, you didn't lose any money, basically just a stop loss order about 5% from this level to this one. And right here I also didn't encourage you to enter the position because most likely we should have some consolidation phase in the ranges of about 16 to $18.3 price points. And as you can see, we are hovering in this range for about several days, for about 5 days, I guess. And for now, as you can see, we have this decrease in price, and I think we might have a bounce somewhere in the near future. But in order to catch this bounce properly, you have to be prepared for this. And I will show you in my technical analysis what should you do if you want to enter this type of position. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let's start with the entire crypto industry. For now, we are sitting at $2.19 trillion of total market cap, and it is 2.77% decrease over the last day. And as you can see, we don't have much room to break again $2 trillion price point. And it is quite bearish, in my opinion, setup for the entire crypto industry, because all the major cryptocurrencies are in red, and it is deeply in red on a 7-day period and on 24 hours period as well. And let's continue with the Dogecoin numbers. And Dogecoin is not an exception from this list. As you can see, we have almost exactly $22 billion of total market cap. It lost about 3.62% of its value. And the total tradable volume is extremely low. It is $880.83 million. It's down for about 17, almost 18% during the last 24 hours. So it is what it is. We just have to work with this data. And let me show you this article. We are on monthlyfool.com, and this article was published on December the 9th, and it's titled "Why Ethereum, Dogecoin and Polkadot are heading lower today." And let me show you this. Dogecoin's status as one of the most prevalent meme tokens makes this cryptocurrency a rather sensitive one to market sentiment. In hyperbull markets, this is a good thing. Recently, Dogecoin has rapidly moved to the upside. And let me show you that this was that movement to the upside for about 12%. So, next one. That said, in a down market fueled by a rather bearish tone, many investors appear to be rotating out of Dogecoin. Dogecoin can be viewed as a momentum play on the broader market and more specifically risk assets. Right now, it appears investors are content to sit on the sidelines with this Doge-inspired token. And let me show you another news. We are on benzinga.com, and here is two reasons, potential reasons of the recent weaknesses on the market. And let me quote you this. Cryptocurrencies plunged on Thursday after China Evergrande Group defaulted on a debt obligation. Electricity shortage in Kazakhstan were another reason the Apex coin took a hit, as per an analyst. And why is the electricity shortage in Kazakhstan was the reason of the sell-off? And it's quite simple. Kazakhstan is one of the leaders of Bitcoin mining, and when it has problems with electricity, most likely it will affect the entire crypto industry, because Bitcoin will have a problem with its net, and all the other cryptocurrencies are related to Bitcoin's price, and this lead to potential leakage of the money from the cryptocurrency market. So, and let me show you one bullish news. We are on blockchain.news, and this article was published on December the 10th, and it's titled "Investors are switching from stocks to crypto. Here is data to prove it." And let me quote you this. A recent data released by Civic Science puts a number to this trend as the percentage of the new generation population who has invested in cryptocurrency. or would if they could. As a long-term growth, investment has jumped from 23 to 30%. The research data shows a complementary growth in the interest in digital currencies, which the percentage of investors who say they are not interested in BTC, Ethereum or Dogecoin slipping from 80% back in May this year to 68% this week. Conversely, investors interested in investing in either of these aforementioned digital assets soared from 20% to 32% within the same period. So it's quite interesting statistics, because if we'll have more money that will flow from the stock market to cryptocurrency market, this will definitely increase the total market cap of entire crypto industry, and this will lead to much higher prices for the majority of main cryptocurrencies. And this will definitely have a huge impact on the crypto industry, and this will drive all the prices of these currencies up. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we consistently have lower highs and lower lows, and we broke all the supports that we had from this previous price action. This means we are almost at the free fall, and basically we are on the free fall because we also broke the previous bottom right here. And this long week that shows a lot of liquidations on Dogecoin, it shows that we potentially might hit some lower targets if we will break again the range of about 16 cents with this price movement. But for now, as you can see, we have very strong support line. We didn't break it even one more time right after this long week, the week of liquidations. And this means if this range holds about 16 cents, and let me mark it for you, we have to hold this line in order to remain bullish. If this range holds, this means we might have a very good bounce to the upside, and we might hit rather decent profits with this bounce. How to measure these profits? So, as you can see from this top, we didn't have major bounces and major price action to the upside that will exceed the previous swing high. This means we are nearing this point, and this means if we measure the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this very bottom, and if it is the very lowest point, and again, if we won't break this support line of about 16 cents, we might hit following targets. As you can see, for now, we have 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level as our resistance line. And it was very technical that we have it for now. And the next potential level where we might land is 0.382. It is a price point of about 21.17 cents. Next one is 0.5, and it is a price point of 23 cents. And this confluence with our previous, as you can see, all of these ranges, 0.382 and 0.5, are pretty much confluence with these ranges that we marked previously as our supports and resistances. So, if you want to enter the trade, your potential stop loss might be slightly below the range of 15.7, slightly below this previous bottom, because I don't think that we can hit this lowest point for now in a short period of time, but we have to be cautious, and this means your downside potential might be about not more than 5.5 to 6%, and the upside potential to our first target might be about 26%, and to our second target might be about 41%. So, risk to reward ratio of 5 to 1 and 8 to 1 is a really attractive risk to reward ratio, and if you want to catch this trade, just accumulate the positions right here and put your stop loss at the range of about $15.78. It is a very risky trade, but the upside potential of this trade is quite massive. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!